Hi students, thank you for following me. I use my channel Mastering Physics and Math to serve you wherever you are. So please share and like these videos in order for everyone to benefit. In this paper, Physics Paper 3 Extended, May-June 2015, Question 10. Figure 10.1 shows two parallel conducting plates connected to a very high voltage supply. The left-hand plate is positively charged and the right-hand plate is negatively charged. A. On figure 10.1, draw the electric field pattern produced between the charged plates. Use arrows to show the direction of the field. The electric field is a straight line directed from the positive plate to the negative plate. B. A light conducting ball is suspended by an insulating string. Figure 10.2 shows the ball in the middle of the gap between the plates. On figure 10.2, show the distribution of charge on the ball. The induced charge on the face opposite to the positive plate is negative. And this face opposite to the negative plate is positive. Of course, it is here, this face is mostly negative, and here is mostly positive. C. The ball is displaced to the left and then oscillates backwards and forwards between the two plates. The ball touches the plate once every 0.05 seconds. Every time it touches a plate, a charge of 2.8 times 10 to negative 8 coulomb is transferred. Calculate the average current produced by the repeated transfer of charge. Current I equals delta Q over delta T. The charge over the time. Two point eight times 10 to negative 8 coulomb over 0.05 second. This is the answer. 5.6 times 10 to negative 7. Coulomb per second is ampere. A. State the nature of gamma rays. Gamma rays is an electromagnetic radiation with a very high frequency. A beam of alpha particles and beta particles passes in a vacuum between the poles of a strong magnet. Compare the deflections of the paths of the two types of particles. The deflection of beta particles is much greater than that of alpha particles because the radius of curvature depends on equals mv over qp, where where m is the mass of the particle and v its velocity, q its charge, and v is the magnetic field. Here of course there is a magnetic field perpendicular to the page and perpendicular to the direction of motion. These dots means that the magnetic field flux is perpendicular to the page and out of the page. So since the mass of alpha particles is much greater than the mass of beta particles, so its deflection, the deflection of beta is much greater. C. A beam of beta particles passes in vacuum through the electric field between a pair of oppositely charged metal plates. Describe the path of the particles. Now the beta particles when enter this region, so it is deflected towards the positive plate because the charge of beta particle is negative. The nuclear equation shows the decay of an isotope of polonium. BO AZ now disintegrate to PB 206 and Z is 82 plus X 42. State the nature of X. X is alpha particle. Because alpha particle is the nucleus of helium atom. Calculate the value of A and Z. Now A equals 206 plus 4 equals 210, and Z equals 82 plus 2 equals 84. So A is 210 and Z is 84. Thank you guys and bye bye.